Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix Bookings. So if you're having issues with Wix Bookings, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix this common issue. Now check the booking settings, open Wix editor, go to the Bookings app and check the services and ensure each one has the correct information. For example, name, price and duration. Make sure that your availability settings are correct and verify that your staff members are assigned to the services correctly and their availability is set up properly. Now, you should also ensure that booking forms are correct. Check your booking form fields to ensure they are working properly. Make sure that there are no conflicting fields or missing required fields in the form. If you're using payments, go to settings, navigate to accept payments in the Wix and ensure that your payment method, for example PayPal and Stripe, is correctly set up and connected. Now, you should also test that your payment processing works correctly to make sure payments are working properly and doing a test booking to see if it's functioning. Now, you should also ensure that there are no restrictions or issues with your payment processor. So check for country and currency limitations. Make sure that you're using the latest version of Wix Booking app. If the app isn't up to date, go to the Wix app market and update it to the latest version. And if you have made any customizations using the code, check that they are still compatible with the latest app version. Now, sometimes a cached version of your Wix website might be causing issue with bookings. So click on three-dot icon in the top right, click on settings, navigate to privacy search and services, click on clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear and click on clear now. And that will instantly fix your problem. Now, another way to fix this problem is by checking for browser or device issues. So if the problem is happening on a specific browser or device, test it on different one like Chrome, Firefox or Safari, or on different devices like desktop and mobile. Some browsers setting or extensions may interfere with Wix Bookings, so disable them or try another browser. Now, if none of the above steps work, it may be time to contact Wix support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, any error messages, and steps you have taken to troubleshoot. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to Wix Bookings and ensure a smooth experience for your customers. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.